Okay guys, I cut this piece 8.5 here, this by 3.5. Yep, 8.5 by 3.5. This is gonna be on here, and I'm going to cut what is it, the half shape there. Don't want it to make look like what it's called, a string typing number or something. I'm not sure what you call it, ladies. Anyway, so I take an eyeball. I'm not really sure this is even, but maybe I should measure it. No, it's not. It's okay. So I'm going to see there that I'm going to cut this out. For to make it inside, I'm not sure how to make it really. To make it look like, maybe you should use tiny cardboard maybe. Let's see if we have any small cardboard. But I'm not sure if that will work. Anyway, my first time making this, so gonna be some mistake here, or I will figure it out later that's wrong or something like that. This one gonna be right here, and then I will need another piece up here. Add, what is it? This piece is 10 inches. How tall is it? This one. So this one is 3.5. This one is gonna be taller because I'm planning to hit along the side, so that have to be 4 inches. Yep, 10 inches for 2 pieces for this side. I will cut the paper in these 2 pieces, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I cut this piece on this side here at 10 by 4 inches there. So now I'm going to mark at 3.5, because this one here and in here to that line there is 3.5. So I'm going to mark at 3.5. I'm going to so mark this one 1 3/4. Maybe from this way, maybe yep, 1 3/4 long side. Sorry, because I want this one to be inside and another side of cardboard outside. So 1 3/4, and then I'm going to mark this one at 3/4. And then I'm going draw that one from 1 1/4 to 3/4 there. Make sure you guys can see, and then I'm going to cut this one off. I already cut another side, so I'm going to cut this one. Here. And this one here. So come into the typewriter yet, guys? See that? And now I'm going to cut. Let me measure this one. I need another piece. This one. Let's see. This one is 8 7/8, and the tall gonna be 3/4 because I want to exactly the on the edge here. So 8 7/8 by 3/4 that we need. And then 3/4. Oh, you know that, right? A lot of people don't like people who study, on technology or for 2-year degree. This, they have very low opinion with those students. They call them like slut or something. You know what I mean? But not everybody is that way, But I have that low opinion too until I went to that school. I changed my opinion. But you never judge people by, what do you call reputation? Somebody have a bad reputation about those people. So this one is gonna be, and then I'm going to make the spade, like when you tie the keyboard and they have that long the spade here when you need a the spade the upper bit. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use. Maybe maybe cardboard or something. No, not cardboard. Yeah, maybe a cardboard. Yeah. So let's see how big this bit that I need. Maybe 6 3/4 by, let's see, turn this one around. Maybe 1/2 inches. 6 3/4 and then 1/2 inches. Going to cut from this one, this piece. I need to punch 2 holes there to man, I already hear that piece. I guess I need to use tweezer or knife to punch the hole to insert this wooden piece there. I think I'm going to cut this piece in half here. This piece is 1 1/2. I'm going to cut half of it. This one is left over that I cut too much. So I'm going to cut this one in half. Ow, I think I broke my nail. Okay ladies, I'm back. So already cut this piece 3/4, right? I'm going to put this one down and eyeball it. So I'm going to put this one here and one here. Now I'm going to use my teaser here to poke the hole so I can insert my wooden piece. Oh, I haven't told you yet, right? That's why you know, teachers so mean to who studied the 2-year degree. As I said, the people that believe that, you know, there's slot or something here, I guess. So a lot of people study this in my country with like a lot of stress with the teacher. Well, not every teacher is bad, but you know, just particular one, you know, teacher is bad, you know, and especially women, she's screaming and yelling at student, you know, really frustrated. You study there and teacher treated you like badly, you know. I think I need to cut this one shorter, still too long. Okay guys, I'm back. So here I cut this one shorter, like half inches. You guys wonder why we haven't complained about that teacher, right? Well, in my country, it's if you complain, it's not gonna get any nowhere, guys. It's kind of like no justice in my country, you know. It will give you more trouble, like she will give you a really bad grade, you know, because our grades is that in her hand, you know. So we kind of like, you know, suck it up, you know. When she a good mood, she okay though, that teacher, but oh boy, but more the time she not that bad mood. I mean, she, oh, you know, more the time she bad mood. I'm sorry, I just said it wrong. Now I put that one to put it in there to support the spade part here. I'm not sure, do I need, I think maybe I need to use the chipboard on that one to make it look straight. Because this one is not really straight. I think I'm going to use the chipboard or silk box. Maybe use the I think I'm going to use the chipboard. Maybe lay 2 layers together so make it thick. And you know, well, I did do, you know, I did okay when I was in school. As I said, I had, you know, over 3, my GPA. I wish I get more better, but I think this one is good. Okay guys, I'm back. I cut it that, I'm not sure what it did chipboard, but it's not really strong. The it's kind of thick, like 1/8. I cut 1/2 inches by 6 and 3, yeah. So this one is kind of look straight there. See that, the spade bar. Okay, what's next? I'm going to I believe I'm going to hear these pieces together first. Told you, right? My country not that great, huh? It's you know, somewhat good thing, but some government system just well, this one is not the government school, not the public school. It's private school that I went to. But teachers still not that great. As I said, the system in school in my country, they teach by the book. They not really teach you how to think. Like here in the US, it's different. And you know, and when I was in school, right, when she still talking about that teacher. I have really bad memory with her. And when when she asks a question and we answer it wrong, and she yelling and screaming, or make us look like stupid, like I already teach you, how come you and next time she asks again and nobody answer, and she scream again, why you not answer, nobody want to know everything. Yeah, I know that, but when we answer it wrong, she's still screaming at us. So we just keep shut up, you're not gonna ask anything. And when we didn't answer, she's still yelling and screaming, not helping either. Really frustrated study in my country. That's why you see Thai student in study in the US, that's why they didn't really want to answer, because they're afraid that if you ask the question too much, that you somehow they teach you and you not get it, and that means you're idiot, something like that. I think this one a little bit higher than this one. I'll trim it up later. It's coming to my head, ladies. So now I'm going to put this piece here in the front. You guys here, me telling you about school in my country, huh? That suck, huh? School in my country, if you study at the, from the government school, not that great. That a lot of parents in my country, if they have money, they send their kids to private school, because it teaches you better. Now for on this one here,